Bonjour mo siya?
Bonjour mo siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya?
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya?
Gracias.
Ayan.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
simasen. Kono sabi mo no, wanang
No, no, no.
kakoroso.
No Japanese. No Japanese.
Scotch.
Don't speak.
Ah,
No,
okay,
no, don't speak Japanese.
She can't able to
We
speak
will-
English, so that's why she speaks Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, shock.
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Mama,
us
can you mute
to
yourself?
speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they want to hear.
Ah,
We shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. A drink. Yeah.
I thought you
To-
need tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too
That's-
early for
that's the-
mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
the English will be
Red
ano,
or-
more.
them.
Red
to
horse.
Speak English, no
I
Tagalog.
might kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
ang tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so ang
Yes,
tama.
he
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan todo.
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking about?
hey, guys,
Oh,
come
sorry,
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong, hey,
I
this is
There's a punishment.
this
When
is
you
guys. I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Domeng. This
Hello.
is Douglas, and
I-
here we have.
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
Oh my God, we will English.
that's their new name.
If there's three
The English
Ks,
is...
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.
I need to go to the bathroom
You
for
need
3
to.
hours.
I
I think see you in the farm.
think I want to rest because it's my second day of period and
Hi,
I'm not
Daddy.
really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the palengke.
Want us to
You're
English.
going to the palengke.
speak English
Only.
also in Palengke.
Oh, Santa Claus eh, nakayod eh.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after
What
this
will you say
and
if you're going to buy kangkong or ingredients?
I would like to have some kangkong. How much does it cost?
No.
Would you
Can
mind?
I buy one
Would you
can?
mind to tell me how much is the
Can I
bundle
buy
of
one
kangkong?
Okay,
Kangkong.
finish your croissant and then we're going now.
Diba?
It is in swimming.
Hey ate, I would like to buy kangkong. How much is the bundle?
Wow.
May bundle na.
Yeah, bundle.
Ay,
You know.
Yes.
It seems you have a good sleep, ah. That's why you speak more
I
English.
Oh my
English.
gosh,
Dear.
I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up at like I slept at 9 p.m. and then I woke up at 11 and then Mr. B went to my
Oh my
room
God.
and
Ay, Mr.
he
B
gave
went.
me
the
he just
room?
gave me NyQuil so I
gave her
can
something to sleep.
Yeah, cause someone well,
farted.
I don't know.
Hindi.
Nothing. It's okay. I just sleep after
No,
that.
someone
You
farted.
guys, you hear?
Someone farted.
You hear what
Yeah.
Last night.
Yes.
Mr. B last night.
That's why I
go to
couldn't
the
sleep.
room
Someone
of Mr.
farted.
Who was that?
I think
Yeah.
that girl. She was beside me, keep on laughing, and then
Party?
farted. Yeah.
Party.
Yeah.
Party
You know what's
with-
farted?
Yeah. The one you there and the other one there. There's parted.
Yeah. You know
Farted, no?
it? Yes.
Farted.
What a bright girl.
Oh,
Yes.
And if there's a lot of music danceable, that's partying. You dance, that's party.
Ah.
Party ding.
Yeah, partying.
Yes.
The
So
English
that's
is
why
so very
I
nice.
couldn't sleep last night.
See? O, di ba?
Yes, simply Mitch. I've been in
See,
Japan.
the
There's a lot of vocabulary that you can hear.
Yeah,
Mama
but my
Dodong.
English is just
to 2000.
um help.
Pass.
Mr. B is so handsome. Yeah.
We will chat.
Yeah. It's
Delilah.
little bit. Bitsy.
A little bit of
A little bit.
Monica.
Yes.
You hold the beat. You hold the beat. See?
Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my my post that I couldn't sleep. Someone is thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Fit. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he went to my room and he gave me NyQuil.
To all the Peculian family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can
that.
Don't speak Tagalog, ah.
You see? You hear that, Mommy Cans? Miss B told Mr. B
I think I don't.
go to the room.
I'll try.
last night. Then,
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
they
croissant.
eat croissant.
All right. So.
AJ, gusto niyo?
You hear the
Batiklaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic,
I
baby.
like
Wanna
it.
try?
Fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
so the crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
I
a
saw
little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my God, the
gosh.
croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hey, don't put your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
fall
oh,
here
you're
in the
right.
croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I like
Would
yes.
you call him?
Fergs.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What?
Ay,
It's delicious and very nice. I like it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so flaky. I love the
yeah.
buttery taste and the
English is
flakiness.
style.
It's so perfect.
I think I ate some
That's
sand.
that's Mr. B's want us to English only.
Yeah.
Policy, policy.
Because the English
We
only.
English the policy is English only. No Tagalog.
But I think
No. I know.
no Nihongo.
Japan, Nihongo.
I think we're gonna sleep so
Japanese.
early because our brain is so
It's empty.
functioning right now.
But it's okay.
Our
because
brain
we
is
have
not
coffee.
raining.
We
This is
have
not coffee. This
What
is
it?
chai.
Chai. Coffee.
Mine's coffee.
And
This
aside
is
from
masala chai. Do you know what's masala chai?
Chris, strike two. You said
They
goose.
mas
Oh!
they sala the chai, so you can drink it so
Ako pa
smoothly.
yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is it?
because they sala the masala chai.
Oh. Oh.
They
How about the
sala.
skin of Mama Dog? It's smooth.
Guys, do you know this masala chai?
It's flaky.
Yes, this drink. Who knows this?
It's so.
Who knows this? They sala the masala chai, so you can drink it smoothly.
Hi, good.
Yeah.
How are
Cheers.
you? Yes. They're making. Oh my God, what's the English that?
Naging
They
charades.
make it.
Like that. That's only.
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
What?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is the
Giddy.
Bamadong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 Yeah, they're giddy.
They're giddy.
Yes, it's limited to the ID.
Of course, our English is only limited, so
Can
don't
you send us
expect too much,
English?
guys.
Guys, can you send us
Because
dictionary?
More English.
there's no stored words on my brain.
But
A
unfortunately,
little bit only.
everyone knows
But
that
for Mr.
I
B,
really
we will
believe
do it.
I
Diba?
don't know.
Yeah,
Right?
Ano sa?
the
What did
children
Mama
is
Mado say?
our future now.
What are you?
Teach them well.
Mama,
and
don't
let
what
them
are you?
know we will teach them well.
Hey, can you please stop?
Yeah.
You lower your voice.
Stop, look, and listen.
People are looking at us, Mama, because of
goodness.
your voice so loud. My gosh.
It's so...
I'm fed up.
Oh my God, Mama, the security is coming.
security is coming.
Yes.
Oh, guys. You
I
better
think
go
they will
there.
get you and show you the ocean.
You better go there.
Hi guys. Are you guys enjoying?
No,
Are you guys having a good time
no,
there?
no, please. I can't be myself. I want to be myself. I want to speak Tagalog. I'm a Filipino.
You have 45 minutes on the challenge.
I am a Filipino.
How many minutes?
I am
45
a
minutes.
Filipino.
Mama
Not
Dong,
long.
Yeah.
we are a Filipino. We want to speak Tagalog.
But, oh my God, that's basic speaking English.
Oh my
Only
God.
45 minutes? Why don't you
Make it
That's why we will sleep whole day.
and then after that,
Palengke challenge na.
Oh, so we're going to Palenque. We still have 2 croissants.
let's ask if the market is open.
Oh, we
Oh,
don't,
yeah,
I think we
that's
don't know,
good
but
Let's ask first.
we need to check.
Yes.
We're gonna check if the market is open. But where's Iwa?
Where's Kuya?
The market is
The
not
market is
marketing.
floating?
Yes.
The market,
Not marketing.
guys,
Today, because this is
do you know that if the market is open? Or Mama Dong said the market is marketing now?
not marketing today.
I'm not-
I think it's gonna be a good challenge. Palenque,
Better.
and you have to order in English.
Why?
Right,
Why do you
guys?
have to order? Why don't you order for us?
Because we're still in the English only challenge, so we should go to the Palenque so we can order in
And let's
English.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Whatever.
But I think it's Friday. The market
If
is
there's
not
no
marketing
market, let's go to supermarket, the grocery.
Today. It's not marketing today. It's Friday, and
Let's
it's
go.
Black Friday. No, not Black, Blue Friday.
You're wearing blue together.
So it's Blue Friday.
It's Good Friday, Mama.
Hey, thank you so much,
Blue
guys. We love you.
We will make Jowa challenge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, we will.
Oh, with the,
With me and with him.
I will Jowa challenge with you.
sorry, I just burped.
Guys, I will go Jowa
Excuse me,
challenge.
there's no other
with-
outlet.
Yes.
Look. Ay, what the Mama Dong?
Let's Kuya, you ask Kuya if the market is open.
We're there.
We're
We're
there.
there.
We're there.
We're there.
Kuya,
Kuya.
is the market marketing today or no? Because it's Friday, holiday.
The market is
Ah, the market,
open.
oh, the market is
let's
marketing
see.
today.
No,
It's
they,
not
they're
marketing.
asking if the market is open.
Because it's Friday, no marketing, right?
Oh,
Oh,
they
there's
Where?
open.
Really, huh?
Town?
really have.
In town. Let's
Really
go.
have-
I doubt.
Oh, you doubt.
But we will...
You better
we will
stay there,
go there.
Dodo.
You better stay here and take care
Because
of
we
baby.
just started English
We will
only,
go there.
ano.
Now you
Let's
just
go.
see and don't
Ano. Don't say ano.
Yeah, what's ano?
What?
Ano? I said it's unknown.
Ano.
Ah,
Unknown.
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 You,
Not
your
ano.
hearing not good.
Yeah, your hearing is not good. I just said
Your hearing
the
unknown.
unknown.
Yeah.
You better hearing aid your ear.
Hey,
You better aid your ear.
Mama Dong.
They are so noisy. I will list down the noisy.
Wait, 50.
See?
Is the market
15.2.
marketing today, Mama Dong?
I don't
Yes,
think
the
so.
market is marketing today.
We
Yes.
will go there.
We will go to the market
Kuya Ian
today.
said it's
Yes, what?
open.
Oo nga eh.
We're gonna buy
Love you,
some
baby.
stuff because we're gonna have poodle fight
Love you,
later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna prepare some food for us. Because we're not senoritas.
Ganyan-ganyan mo ba?
Doon ka manggagaling sa ilalim ng pit. You go there in the sun.
Where's Katie?
Okay guys, I think
Let's go.
my brain is
Shall
low
we?
back. I think I'll see you later or I don't know, maybe tomorrow if the English only turn off.
Yes.
See?
I think she sounds good. Diba, guys?
Yeah, she sounds good, but
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
I'm not.
She's
My
prepared.
gosh. What are you guys trying to say?
oh my God.
I don't want to speak English. I am a Filipino. I'm proud Pinoy.
Yeah, because
But
we will
English
rock
is
you.
our second language.
But I am a pure Pinoy. Pinay.
Yeah, because
Dodo is pure Pinoy and you are pure Pinay.
That's why I love Pinoy.
yes, last the
Because
other
when you're a
day.
Filipino, you're Pinoy. You love
We used to
Pinoy.
eat Pinoy.
Yeah.
You eat the other day the penoy in Marimeme. We eat that.
What do you love the most are of this trip?
Mr. B,
Kens,
what do you
eto.
love the most about this trip?
Say hi, Yan Yan.
Hello everyone.
Christina.
How's your day today? It's
Wait, is that
Friday,
Christina?
guys.
The day
Christina.
today is
Christina.
so beautiful in the beach.
Yeah. Where is love?
Thank you so much, Luisa Ramos.
I'm sorry, Mary Joy Arias. I don't
I'm going to
understand.
do this.
You're typing
Oh, it's
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
And
This is a...
But
This
sila
is-
may challenge.
no, you need to type English.
No, because if we're
I
in a
don't understand
if we're in a
you.
challenge, then you guys are kasama in the challenge
Of
also.
course, don't
Yes na lang sila
speak Tagalog.
Yes.
You two also sakit brain. Not only me.
Not only me, not
Not
us.
us. You guys.
You're part of the
join.
family. So
You are part of the family.
Come on, guys.
Let's help each other.
We're sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, you ask
Sama-sama
ChatGPT and you type. Just copy paste what you want to say. What about us? Who commented? Do we speak? Of course.
Yes, you guys too.
You guys too.
We're all together in this. Okay?
You know, guys, I am squeezing my brain right now. I cannot take this
How are you
anymore.
squeezing?
How do you squeeze?
Squeezing like
push the
a
limit.
clothes with super
With water?
and I'm super squishing the water.
So you,
And
Even
my
my
brain
brain
is
is just
so, I have migraine on. I really need medicine.
High school.
My brain is not braining.
My brain is functioning.
My brain is not brainy.
Both of them are high school.
High schooling.
Yeah.
But you have kuliling.
Yeah. I'm Pililing.
You have
Pililing.
Sililing.
So much Maritachi.
I think we need to.
Yes, why?
I think we need to cover.
Ay, that's my
Chris,
mark.
where's
Yeah.
my brother?
Your brother is over there.
Can you ask him
And-
where's Iwa?
Oh, let's show them what our breakfast was. Our breakfast was
Sour
the
soup.
sour sop.
Sour
We
sauce.
have sour sop for breakfast.
Hey Chris,
Hey,
someone there, read it.
Chris is doing Taglish comments
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah.
You don't do
I'm
that
sorry.
to us.
We
With
punish
us.
you.
You
We spunk you. That's bad. This is your content. I don't like this.
Okay, guys, English
Yeah.
only.
They're diminishing the reminisceable past.
What did you say? This
Later.
is great interaction with the viewers. And the concept was speaking English only.
Oh, see?
You ask them.
But
It was your idea. We just executed it. So thank you guys. 18K viewers.
That's Kuya Ian.
What's up?
That's
no,
Kuya
guys,
Ian.
this is not funny. This
So cute
is
ni Miss
not
Kat. So funny. Ha 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 ha.
Don't worry.
fabulous.
Katie is with Kuya
I don't
Ian.
like this anymore.
Katrina's with
I think she likes it.
I cannot take this anymore.
I think she
No
likes
worries,
it.
guys.
But not the whole day.
It's great practice for you.
Whatever. Hello.
Love is sweeter the
I'm not
second
going to
time
the
around.
US.
Why are you like
Stop.
so like sungit?
Cause,
Are you being sungit?
of course.
Oh, you know why? Because it's your second day. That's why.
They
And-
love.
Ayan.
I'll come back later. Thank you.
want
Thank you
to
so
go.
much. Enjoy your vacation.
Enjoy your vacation.
Sige,
She's
tingnan
over
mo.
there. She's having fun swimming under the sun.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Enjoy your vacation po, Mami.
Sure.
Sure. Ano, AJ? AJ? AJ?
Oh, but you have to. It's only English for.
Yeah, we don't talk Tagalog,
picture them.
ate.
So
We speak
picture them.
English.
let's
You picture them, all of them.
Come on, guys. let's go.
Of course.
Very nice place.
What, ate? So, I'm so sorry, but you need to speak English, ha?
We have challenge ate
Yeah,
ng
we
speak
have
Tagalog.
challenge. Yeah, okay.
Come and visit us in Bukidnon.
Of course, why not?
the press.
Let's go.
Anybody else?
Okay.
But we're going to the market, Kuya. Can you
1, 2, ready,
sabay
sing.
Katie?
Happy birthday.
Can you talk to him?
Yes,
A lot more conversation.
1, 2, 3.
Very nice.
Ay, Kuya, bring Katie. You need to go to the market.
From Hong Kong.
Kuya.
Hi.
What do you want me to do?
Ay, not listening.
Ay!
So,
Ay!
so, there you have it. Para sabihin niyo, hello.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you ask me to do?
So,
Miss Guy?
Ask him.
Ask him what?
Bring
Kuya.
Katie. Because we're going to the market.
Kuya, can you bring Katie down?
What's that? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That,
Follow.
that,
It's
no,
follow.
that's down.
down.
Down,
Can you bring
ah.
Katie down
Oh,
here?
down here. Okay, okay, very good.
You hearing not good, huh?
My gosh.
Yes, we
Let's
want
go.
to LI. Soon.
What time
We
is
will
it?
go
It's
to
11:25.
Katie's so far.
Insensitive. Mali
USA. In
naman.
God's will,
What?
we will go to US.
Just woke up. You guys make my
Wow.
nose bleed. It's okay.
Yes.
Our
Hi,
noses are
Nini
bleeding
from
too, so
My nose and ears
Hi, Rogie.
and brain.
we're in this together. We're sama-sama tayo here. 19K viewers.
Oh my gosh, 19K viewers sila. There.
How about you,
How about you, Mama
Dong?
Dong?
It's only 25,911.
Oh, I think that's 250.
Yeah, I know, it's 593.
Let's go na.
Yeah.
My brain is
Yeah.
empty.
From Hong Kong, hi. Thank you so much.
It's
Kylie.
not functioning anymore. So I
Hi,
think guys,
Yang
we need
Yang
to
from
leave.
Singapore. Soon. On September, hopefully, we will be in Singapore.
This one?
Ooh, I think
This
there's...
one. Can I get the croissant?
Yes,
Sure.
Inside the paper
Still
bag.
have one left.
Okay, let's bring the
I'll talk
croissants.
to you later. We will
Oh, someone is mad here.
Call Iwa na.
Iwa.
What?
There's
Call
Kuya.
Iwa.
Yes, call Iwa, please.
Oh my God, I ubos your coffee.
Lang, ha. Medyo mainit.
You ubos
You
the coffee.
finish?
I finished your coffee.
Oh, that's okay.
That's very good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we need to
We need
leave.
to go to the
So we have,
So,
Oop, oop. Whoa, you got sand.
Cheers po tayo.
chairs, table and chairs.
Oh my God! There's a Busher.
Cheers.
I enjoy Basher. Enjoy watching. I love you, Basher.
Yeah.
Where's the
We love
basher?
I don't
Bashers.
know. I think that's your Busher.
Oh, it's a basher.
Mac Nash, thank you
Oh,
so
gosh.
much. Angelica nga.
Paki-block ko
Hi.
ito, panira.
I'm not the. That's your Busher. I don't have Busher. Wow.
Hi, Gemma.
Malamang ikaw yung baliw. Who's that?
Me?
Malamang ikaw ang baliw. What's that mean?
Luisa Robert.
Like,
Bring
is that like-
Chris
You are
back
crazy.
in
That's
Sacramento.
You are.
Who?
From USA, please bring Chris Lawrence back in Sacramento.
Who's that?
I
My
will- I
God,
will be
someone
in
is so mad
Sacramento.
here.
She will be in Sacramento.
July 11.
July 11.
July
Grabe
11.
ka,
July
baliw.
11, Chris Lawrence will be in
Can you speak
Sacramento.
English? So we
21,000.
I don't know.
Guys,
Someone is so mad
thank you so
back
much.
here.
Who's mad?
I don't know. There's
Hi.
so rude. Why? Me?
okay.
Am I rude?
Swimming.
I don't think you're rude.
Oh.
I think there's, you know what? It's okay though, because you can't please everybody, and sometimes people are just gonna say something
Thank you so much,
like to make
Liga.
pansin, you know.
Ligayang.
And I think that's what they're
Hopefully,
doing.
I'll be in Singapore on September.
Las Vegas, man. Block, that's right, Michelle. Block.
I don't know how to block.
I don't block the bashers because the basher is very, very nice.
Yeah, because the Busher will just make
but-
another fake account.
The basher will
The-
make what do you call that?
Dummy.
Dummy and then
Yeah, they'll just gonna make a dummy
yes.
account, a fake account. They'll
then
bush
try
and
to
bush
bash
and
you.
we will
bush
enjoy
okay.
the bashers.
until they die.
Yeah. They kill this love. Tan taran tanan tanan.
Yep,
Yes.
Oh my God,
You
Katie,
saw na
can
yung
you
ano?
say hi?
It's our
This
princess.
is Katie.
Hi, Ate Karel.
You need to speak English, anak. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Mama. Hello, everyone. Mama.
Yep.
Sabay na ako sa inyo. Hindi na. Kay Uncle.
Okay, uncle na po.
Paano yung classmate ko? 12 nandito na.
You want us to hug your classmate?
Yes.
Hey, why do you have bubbles on your lip?
Dito lang kami hanggang 12.
Oo, kasi di ba
Okay.
yung the classmate is doing hugging.
Okay, so that means
Okay.
30 more minutes of the English challenge.
Okay, Katie.
Tell Uncle na sabay ako.
Kuya.
I'll ask Mommy Ken. Please, do you have plan to go concert
You
in
tell.
Canada?
You tell.
Yes.
2026?
Kuya, you tell.
Yes. July 9?
Bring
July
Katie.
9. Tama.
Yes,
Mommy
Kuya.
Ken. July 9 he'll be in Canada.
English.
What am I doing?
Dito pa ako hanggang ko.
Don't let me
You want to stay here until 12?
say a lot. It's too much, Katie. Sure.
Yeah.
I love you.
I wanna...
I'm gonna take a video of your papa.
Eh, di ba I will go to... Di ba my classmate will hug Papa?
I will send it to you.
You want to be here when I help? You're supposed to be here when I help.
Ayaw niya.
Oh, you don't want to be here.
Sabi ni Uncle, aalis na daw.
Oh, you go home.
You pick na mo.
I will take a video.
You pick na mo.
You pick na mo. Okay. Bye na. Okay, go.
Yeah. Andiyan ka no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in Canada.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
June 26, I'll be in Victoria, BC.
Thank you.
June 26, Victoria, BC.
No.
And then July
We're going to
9
the
in
Palengke.
Lloydminster.
July 9 in Lloydminster. Mami Ken.
That's
Wait lang,
right.
picture ko muna kayo. Bago siya umalis.
And
Tawag.
Ano?
I will bring Katie's bomb.
Ayan. He will bring Katie's bomb though, then buy.
And by then, I think we'll have our official KKK merch.
Ah, yes, we will have
Yeah.
a KKK merch. Hello, Josephine from Canada.
Mama, you
I'm gonna take a video. Smile.
you want to... Picture and video. You
Of
hug
course.
your mama lang and papa. You hug your mama and papa.
Yes.
Yeah.
So enjoy, guys.
1, 2.
Oh, yes, we will.
Thank you.
Thank
I will
you.
end
Love you.
this
See you
live.
later.
Bye, Katie.
So, I will not delete this, ha. Bye-bye.
Happy team.
I have to go there na.
Go there.
Bye-bye. You bye-bye to my live.
With
You
the D.
bye-bye.
My life.
Bye to my live. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Catrans Global.
Katie wants us to
KKK
stay
Worldwide
because
Party.
she wants us to
KKK family.
hug her classmates, to meet her
KKK
classmates.
family. At sa lahat
San
po ng
Francisco.
mga maraming salamat po sa lahat. Bye-bye, everyone.
So I'll be in
Love you.
Aruba, June 21. I'll be in Victoria, BC, June 26. San Francisco, June 27. Lloydminster, July 9. And then back to Sacramento on July 11th. So kita-kits po tayo dyan. And I'll bring Katie's bomb. And I think by that time I will have
Bakit?
the official KKK merch.
Let's see,
So I'll bring it there. And we'll see each other there.
Bye-bye like that.
Picture ko yung ano yung...
Sila po naman ang live. Yeah.
How do you send stars? That's good. I think there's a button on the screen that says send stars.
Wala dito.
It's in the pink
Mamaya,
bag.
nila yung video. Doon na sa
Pink
mga-
bag?
In the pink bag.
Where's the pink bag?
Smiley
CR lang. Kami
flex.
ano.
Agay.
O, diba? Pulikat.
Did you get pulikat again?
Ara.
Is that a cramp?
Ang sakit.
Manood ka na dun ngayon. So, shout. Ay, nanonood ka.
What's up to Joy Miller, Hawaii? Shaka.
Nanonood ka na ba?
I'm low bat, guys.
Nanonood ka ngayon?
Uh-oh. You want more coffee?
No, my English is low bat.
I think coffee will help.
No?
Yep.
No, I don't like coffee. My heart will palpitate.
You hi to Ate Karel from Nueva Ecija. Yun. Hi kay Ate Karel.
Hi, Ate
Hi, Ate
Karel.
Karel from Nueva Ecija. We love you.
Mamaya namin gagawin yung video ni Ate Karel sa bang.
Okay.
Okay, my English runs out.
Ooh, we're at 22.5K.
Ah, wow. Lumipat na sa
Congrats,
inyo.
guys.
Yung 15K ko nandyan na.
Kasi you
Wow.
stop already.
Oh.
You stop your life already.
So,
That's
so I think
why.
we should say thank you to Mama Dong for the
Mama Dong, thank you so much.
Yeah.
You ended your life and
Kasi
you have a lot of
when he
viewers right
when
now.
he ended, we got 20 more viewers.
Yeah, 20.
we got 20 more viewers.
Nasaan ka ba? Kailan ka dumating? Kunyata
Where's
ka ba na
Iwa?
nagpaparamdam?
Tayo pa natin yung classmate.
Kaya,
Di ba?
Kilala.
Minsan nangamoy kandila, sabi ko.
What's up to DJ Deje, Ruby and Pasqua?
Nasa Enzo, nandito na pala sa
Mirasol.
Pilipinas si Gaga.
oo nga, hello. Mama Dong, you speak English.
We're
Oh.
here in El Nido, Palawan. One of the Great beach. The English challenge, don't,
What if the
don't
great
challenge.
beach?
I don't understand you.
Mama security.
Where?
Whistles already.
Where there? No, there.
Yes.
You,
I heard some whistle. Whistling.
you message me. This for you.
Isang car lang kanina. So, hintayin pa natin.
There was two
No.
cars, I think. I think Kuya Ian had his other car.
Yes. You got it.
Look, we're bunnies.
Para magigising ng wake up by 1 or 2.
So,
So by the time we get home, gising na siya. $470 stars. Thank you. Say thank you.
thank you. Because my brain is low bat. Empty words already.
Oh, you used everything already?
Yes.
It's okay. You can repeat. It's the same. It's the same words.
When I say it, it's already finished.
So when I
It
see
will
your
come back
face,
tomorrow if I
it's
sleep.
not the things that I won't change.
Yes. If I say it already, I cannot.
Because you're
Repeat.
amazing.
No, you just have to repeat.
No, I cannot.
You
I
just
can.
repeat
I
it.
need to sleep.
You just
so
repeat it right
will
now.
come back.
But you just
We'll
repeated
come back
right
tomorrow.
What?
You
no,
just yes.
no, no.
No.
Don't do
Don't
that to me. Stop.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
See, I told you guys, my English will be little.
Okay. 21.2. Okay. Are we gonna wait for her classmate?
Oo, malamang. You video.
We still have
How do you know?
27 minutes to wait.
How do you know the classmate that we're
Yes.
supposed to meet?
Yes.
Is it because they get out at 12?
I don't know.
I thought she
There's
said
no
11.
school today.
I thought she said
It's
11.
holiday.
Kung pagod ka na, Mama B, sandal to Papa.
No, Basher will come again. Another day. And be mad again. And bash again. Yeah.
But
Basher is waiting there.
I
I
don't.
can see there.
I don't think bashers are bad. I think bashers
I
are
think
good.
Basher knows you.
You think?
Hi, Basher. Thanks for watching anyways.
June 27 ba?
June 27 in San Francisco.
Hindi, yung sa Canada.
What?
Canada
Mama
is
Dog?
26.
What are you
June
talking
26.
about, Mama Dog?
June
June
26,
26, where's the concert? June 26, where's the concert in Canada?
Victoria, BC.
Victoria.
And I'll be with Little Eddie. Little Eddie's
Who
my
is
guest.
Little Eddie?
Then
The
July
one who sang
9.
Statue. I'm like a statue.
July 9 will be on.
Oh, very nice song.
Very nice song.
Spencer, what's that?
Lloydminster.
Lloyd. And
Lloydminster.
Lloyd Minster.
Yes, guys, my guest is Little Eddie. So, for those of you that like the song Statue, he will be with me.
He will be with you all
he
the
will
time.
He will be with me on all the shows there.
All the time there.
All the time there.
Yes.
Why is my English not Englishing?
They're gonna stick together like
Yeah.
this stick.
Little Eddie.
Yes.
If you guys know Little Eddie, the one who sang Statue, siya yun.
Can we hear statue from you?
I'm like a statue, start staring right at you.
Can you finish the song?
I don't know the rest of the words.
Can you sing 5 songs?
5 songs where?
So I can rest my English.
I think they want to hear your English.
We want to hear your voice. Sing.
I think
you
I think
sang very well.
they like your English better.
You sang song very well.
Oh,
You
what?
sang song. You sang song very well, huh?
Samsung,
Yeah.
kangkong.
Oh, there. RG. RG, hello. What's up?
see it from there? You have good eyesight, huh?
Of course.
Yeah.
I can see the basher. It's there.
There? I want to see the basher.
Who's
They're
the basher?
watching.
Where's
Hi,
the
basher. Enjoy bashing.
Who's the basher?
Bashing every day.
Yeah,
Yes.
bash anywhere, everywhere.
Because we also love the basher. We want you to bash us always so that you're happy.
And
And
we grow.
We
We
grow.
grow our family.
yes, we have hi to KKK bashing fans.
Oh, look at the plane.
Others the plane. The plane is blue. That's my big plane.
That's your plane, Mama.
Yeah,
Dang?
no, the small.
Oh, hello everyone. Thanks for watching.
Wow.
Yes.
You want me to make it higher? There. Delilah. Okay, ano pa guys?
I can't think of words. You talk.
I think I need to go to the restroom.
There, the restroom is there. Go there. Straight ahead and then turn left. Or right. Just check. Where's the bathroom?
Si Mami Kens, malayo kasi siya sa...
Over there.
Pero,
What?
Mami Kens is so far in your concert venue, but
It's so what?
she will...
It's so
is
far.
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 So far.
Far.
So far.
Is it
PAR.
far? Is it far or far?
Like in golf.
Far. But she will try to book ticket. If she book ticket, she will announce to me.
Wow.
Announce.
Announce.
It's gonna be so it's gonna be
Yeah.
announcement.
It's
It's
gonna
big.
It's gonna
It's a big
broadcast.
announcement.
She's gonna broadcast.
Oh my-
Then she left the group.
So mommy can just left the group.
She will buy ticket, and if you have merchant, she will buy merchant.
Wow.
Then she will buy
Thank you
gift
so
for
much.
Katie,
Oh.
Kat, and me.
And Mama Dong.
She will
Give it to me.
please to you to
Wow.
bring.
She's pleased.
Yeah.
She will please to me. Up. Up, up.
We're going up, up, up. It's our boys. That's beautiful. We're glowing. Gotta be cool.
I think Katie's messaging.
Check your cell phone. You text KP. Oh no,
Oh, whoa, what happened? No wonder why it's sticky.
splurge.
It's okay, here, look, you do this.
No, you
No,
put the camera to Mama Dong.
No, you
Go,
do this
Go,
also.
go to
Let me show
Mama
you how to
Dong.
clean your
Put
hands.
the camera to Mama Dong.
What's that?
This is a basahan.
Yeah. That's a rape.
It's a basahan.
It's a green.
Diba, guys? A splash of bully.
But we need to wait
We need
for
to wait
Katie's
12.
classmate.
Yeah.
Like-
How you contact?
I don't know.
I go home now.
I stopped this already. I'll check my phone when it's 12.
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom. There. It's there. Just straight here. This way.
I'm still cooking it.
You
So you're
still
gonna make
cooking?
I'm
Oops.
still,
Are you gonna make poop?
I'm still cooking.
Oh.
Yeah,
So you're gonna make poop?
something like that.
Oh my god.
Something like that.
Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in.
Wow, look at the lights go. All the lights are going crazy.
What's that?
Mommy Elda.
Hi, Mommy Elda. It's so dark there.
It's so dark, she's sleeping.
Oh, she's sleeping.
Oh,
She
done
went home.
swimming, she home.
Done swim, go home.
Done swimming, she home to...
To the house. She
Yeah.
home to the house.
She went to the house to change the dress.
because she's wet.
Because she sweat, she
Because she's
shower.
wet. No towel. We're in the middle of the beach.
She wants to
We're
drive.
having an English challenge, mommy. It's so difficult.
Yes.
It's okay. We have 15 minutes.
Yeah. Chris wants us to
This is
speak
not a
English
bad thing,
only.
but yes.
There's lots of
Yeah, this
basher,
is
but
the
we
I
have
think
English
everybody had a
only,
good time
right?
though. Didn't you guys have a good time with the English challenge?
Yes.
Are you
Sila
guys
bashing.
having fun? Karaoke. Are you guys
Yes.
having fun?
We tell the bashers, enjoy watching. Yeah.
They're not answering.
They
They're having
enjoy.
fun.
I think they did because they have 10 stars, you have 44, you have 7,
Oh,
you have
thank
10.
you so much.
What time is there?
Are you guys having fun?
What time is there?
Already.
I can see they're having
8:45?
fun.
That's your resting time. You
No.
Oh yeah.
No cell phone.
What do you guys think about the no cell phone
Yeah,
challenge
you have a
for
no
3 hours?
No way. We're not.
Press 1 if you guys like it.
Yes, mommy.
Press 1 if you guys want a no cell phone challenge.
Okay lang daw pa. We have naman
Yung
here.
mukha, yung face, look at this face.
We have here. Yung sa bomb, yes.
I think it's a good idea.
Yes, mommy.
So we can all be present in the moment.
Whatever.
Right,
Just
guys.
want
I
to.
will.
Knocking.
Want to what?
Is mommy preparing the money? Sending to you?
No.
Not now?
No.
Not now, mommy. Not yet. Not yet.
Katie's bomb.
Uh,
Where's Katie's bomb? There, it's there in
Next
your
time
bag.
sooner.
Pink bag.
There you go.
I need to stretch.
Oh, your
Yeah.
legs are
You
Your
need to
legs
put
in
a
pain?
bomb.
I'm gonna put bomb.
Spray.
Yes.
I think I need to
Go.
stretch.
Hey,
See, mommy.
Yes.
She's getting numb.
Yeah.
Oh.
His feet getting numb.
you put
Oh, yeah,
Katie's
Katie's
bomb.
already in the US. So.
I think I need Katie's bomb to make me stronger.
Yeah. What do you want? Do you want yellow or you want
you
purple
think-
I like the
or
blue
blue one?
Because I'm wearing blue today.
You want to be happy.
Yeah, always happy.
But this is not open.
Which one?
Oh my God.
Oh, let's do the open one.
You need to buy
No,
this.
let's do the open one.
You need to buy this.
Let's just sell it.
Ay, all of these are not open.
Oh no. Don't we have an open one?
You relax
We need to
first,
open.
mommy. I
Okay.
will call you again later. Love you, mommy.
Love you.
Love you, daw, me.
Mommy, can you put this in the bag? So guys, we're gonna use Katie's bomb for
For my legs.
legs. Sure.
Kanina pa, abang namin, ma'am. Dali na, dali. Sisi atap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
No, Makarandan, don't do this to me.
What are they doing? What did they do?
Miss B is so funny doing English challenge.
I love it.
You just find me so cute, so I need to stop this. You just find me attractive, so I need to stop this already, guys. Yes, I'm so cute when I'm speaking English. And I need to put distance, you know.
I think she's funny.
Yeah, so you'll find me cute. So I'll attract you. So I don't like that. My God. Please. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Security. Pa-picture daw yung mga swap.
Kaya nga. Can I just see it?
Yeah.
Ma'am, ako lang po.
Sure, Kuya.
Okay lang po daw na nakauwi.
Okay lang po.
Ano lang kami?
Okay, sige.
Ganda po ng outfit.
Mama, ang laki mo. Yeah. Picture them.
Closer yan.
Closer to. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, si Idol siya ng asawa ko.
Ay. Go, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Love yata si ma'am.
Yan, nakalive.
Chris,
Baka ano yung classmate niya nandito na.
Oh, yeah. Where's it? Ano?
Call her.
Delilah. Delilah Rivera?
Ano yan?
Let's go.
Wala natin laman. Ano to yan?
Thank you. Thank you. Please put bomb. What? Me?
Sabi.
No.
Thank you. Is your classmate coming to us here? Okay, where is she?
Merong ano yung loob ng
The what?
Sand?
bumaksak ng pagay.
Thank you so much.
Dapat pala
Blower mo yan.
Where's your classmate, baby?
What?
You blower it.
You blower it so it will dry?
So the sand will go out.
How about my mic?
It's
wet.
working.
I don't know. Yeah.
Cat is
What?
already
What? Kasi-
woke up.
What?
Are you in the room already?
Ilan na siya?
20K.
Mariki.
How about you?
Nung nag-end ako, nasa 38 yung nanonood.
Hello. Where's baby Katie? She went home.
Yeah.
We need to wait for her classmate. Miss B, can you help Mr. B put Katie's bum on his legs? No.
Okay, we're
That's
just
too
here.
much.
Should we
Alin
wait for them, or
daw?
are they gonna come to us?
I'm gonna put Katie's bum on Mr. B's legs. I think that's too much, guys.
Why?
You're asking too much for me.
It's not aching.
Just here.
Miss B, ikaw naman maglagay.
Just
Can
here.
I?
Who's that?
pa-shout out lang.
Later. I sino? Who's that? Jackie De Paz Donor? Hi, Jackie De Paz Donor.
From
Thanks
Taytay.
for watching from Taytay. KKK Taytay something solid.
Ano, a result chapter?
You wanna talk to her?
Result chapter.
What?
Wanna talk to your mom?
What?
Nag-hi siya sa akin yung ganyan kanina sabi niya.
Mama Dong is still on live? No, she's here. She's over here. What? Hi, Katie.
Yes, hi.
Because I'm
she's
doing a
live.
live, Katie. Why? You call your papa, not me. Why? What do you wanna say? Yes, I will take a video and a photo.
We will wait your classmates.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Christina David.
Marunong kang mag-Bisaya. I don't speak Bisaya, guys.
Gamay lang.
Gamay?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang. You teach me Bisaya.
That's the only word, gamay lang.
You teach me Bisaya.
Teach me how to doggy.
I know some words of
Wisdom.
yeah.
Words of wisdom.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah,
Go to the bathroom.
need
You
to
go
there
straight
na.
there and straight here from here. Straight and then go
Call
left.
na sa'yo, sir. Nasa'yo.
I got it. I need to bring this.
Go.
Beside the then straight ahead.
Okay.
Ligpit ko na to.
Yes.
Kutsara niya. Nasaan kaya mo din? Sir, saan mo nilagay yung kutsara?
Hindi ko tala.
Ay, di mo. Okay. Ito hindi niya na to inom.
No more. We're done. Okay, wala na si Mr. Brown. Tama na to, be.
Oo nga, hirap na ako mag-English.
Buti nag-CR na. Buti na na-show it.
Meron kami break.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, wala na si Mr. B. Tama na to, be.
Actually, kanina pa ako hirap mag-i-English na yan.
Tama na to.
Tapos meron tayong break.
Oo nga, Diyos ka, naka-break,
kami.
di ba?
Sana medyo magtagal siya sa CR.
Woo! So good, eh. Tama na. Kalokohan niya, eh. Tagalog din naman siya, eh. Eme-eme din to, eh. nakarelax din. Napagod ako. Te, punta na tayo palengke.
Oh, pagkatapos natin maghihiya.
Si Iwa. Iwa is waiting for us.
Asan si Iwa?
Over there sa Paco daw.
Ah, sa Taco. Hello! Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Nasaan si Marimar? Naku, di ko alam. Si Paul Goso nandito. Ayan o. Si Marimar, di ko alam kung nasaan. Diba? Nakahinga din tayo, Shira. Shira ulo yun eh. Pagod.
Pati ba nag-ano?
Diba sila din, nakahinga din sila eh. O, diba nakatakas na kayo? Yes. Buti na show siya. Kala niya ha. Iniisaan ko nga siya, pinapakanta ko kanina para manahimik ako eh. Di ba, be? Iniisahan ko, sabi ko 5 songs siya. Di ba? Oh, Mr. Brown pala. Hindi, Mr. Brown, may isa pa. Marami kasi siyang pangalan eh.
Yeah.
May iba pa. Actually, marami siya, lahat B. Nagbarimar ako, naku, ayoko.
Ako na lang gusto nyo.
Si ito,
Karimari.
Thank you so much. 800k views na yung naunang live. 586k yung ngayon. Grabe naman yan. Naku, mukhang nag-enjoy sila sa English only, ma.
Diba nga? Diyos kong hirap-hirap.
Pwede naman natin to ulitin, guys. Pero next time naman.
Oo. Give us a break.
At
Give us a
saka,
break.
at least man lang dapat merong wine, konting shot, yung panulak sa lalamunan para smooth.
Para lumabas yung ending.
Yes, mas nakakaisip kasi tayo pag medyo mayroong konting panulak, mas malakas yung loob.
Kaya guys, padalahan nyo na ako ng pang-wine.
Croissant. Popost ko nga itong croissant.
Magwa-wine kami.
You're so pretty. Thank you so much.
Hindi ikaw, ako daw.
Ay, ko ba?
Thank you. We wine ourselves.
Ma, sabi you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Yung pala yun.
Diba?
Mali lang yung pagkakarinig ko.
Besha daw yun. Sabi ko, ang sabi, you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Mali pa yung pagkakaintindi ko.
Maridong.
Oo.
Maridong.
Yeah, that's Maridong.
Hi to our 18,000 viewers. Kung yung 18,000 viewers naman yan, follow nyo rin yung FB account ko.
Oo, ako din, AJD.
Yung Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Guys, follow my account ha, Facebook account. Joseph Dodong
Ano
Bangkat.
yung sabihin mo dapat nung nag-live kayo? Sabi mo, El Nido mo na sasabihin. Ah, oo nga, may
Oo
naniningil.
Ano nga yun? We forgot?
I forgot. No, actually, I don't forgot.
Oo.
Pero pinaalala mo sa akin, salamat. Tingnan natin. Kasi keep on reminding me, guys.
Ito 12 na guys.
Naka-monitor sa live si Mr. Bangkat nasa CR. Oh my gosh.
Mama Zong ha?
Naka-monitor siya. Kahit nasa CR.
Yeah, watching.
Yan.
Naka-monitor siya watching.
Eh, sorry ka, wala ka dito. Basta pag
Ano
wala
yun?
ka dito, wala ka dito.
English only face-to-face challenge.
Yeah.
Face-to-face only.
Naka-follow na ako sa'yo, Mama Do.
Ay, thank you so much. Guys, follow pa yung 17,000. Titingnan ko dito kung tumataas kung nagpa-follow kayo, ha? Watch ko. Kundi ay pa-follow in you. Guys, dagdag pa, wala pa. Follow nyo na Joseph Dodong Bangkat.
Naalala niyo yun? Basta remind nyo lang ako, guys. Wala si Chris dito. Huwag kayong ganyan. Hindi naman yan. Hindi yan totoo. Sakit na nga ng ulo ko, guys. Actually,
Ay, English.
second day ng period ko ngayon. I'm not feeling well. Tapos kagabi di ako nakatulog. Huwag nyo na po sakitin ulo ko. Dagdag pa yan sa iisipin ko eh. Ulitin mo daw yung FB account mo, Mama Dong.
Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Ito, oh.
Saka AJD.
Ito po. Kita ba?
Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. Ay, bumaba na kasi hindi na tayo nag-i-English. Okay lang.
Yan.
Mababa na din yung energy namin, guys.
Oo nga, mainit na eh. Follow nyo to,
English
ha?
is not, ano na available at this moment.
Yes. English is not available at
Prince,
this moment.
si
Please,
Prince Adrian Dagdag, oh, watch.
Mama, English is not available this time around.
Yes.
So, come back again.
Yeah, 12. It's 12 noon, so the
It's done.
English is stopped.
Stop already. The timer stops.
Yes, Chris knows that it's already 12.
Thank
to
you
stop.
so much, LV. I love you.
Hi, Prince Dagdag.
AJD, follow nyo rin ah.
Ayan, asa na ba yan? 18, yes.
Guys, pagdating ni Mr. B, ano na kami?
Sumama sila sa palengke.
Alis na kami. Wag na, ang hirap ganyan, wag na, may hirap, tama na. Wala na, tapos na yun ha.
Oo, tapos na.
Ay, nako, only 1 hour. Mr. B is here, magbababay lang siya sa inyo and then we'll leave, okay?
John
Uy,
RB,
you need to
shout
speak
out.
English. Mr. B
Hi.
is here.
Ayan. Hi, John RB, shout out to you.
Uy, mag-English ka,
Wait lang.
English na.
Yes, yes.
Ayan na siya, dahil. So,
Yes,
hi guys.
Hi guys, we
We
are the
Mr.
world.
B is coming there.
Yes,
So
so
we have to speak English.
Yeah, again.
we English ourselves.
Yeah.
And
Come here, so we need to bye-bye.
you guys speaking Tagalog?
No, we
No.
don't. We did not.
we English, right? Because you're here now.
That's a clear violation of this challenge.
Whatever.
Guys, what do you
This
think we
is
should
finished.
What should be the punishment?
Bye-bye na.
You say bye-bye.
Wait, bye.
We go na to the
guys.
market.
Bye-bye, guys.
Guys, you follow my account, ha? That's one. Joseph Dodong Bangkat, follow me.
Don't tell anyone, my gosh. Bye. We love you.
We love you, mga
Don't tell anyone
guys.
We're going to the market.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody. Okay, that's our
We go to the
secret.
market.
So no one knows that
No
we're
one-
going to the market.
That the market.
Only 16,000 people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yan lang.
Don't spread it.
Don't spread.
Oy, Lara, Summer is awake.
Oh, she is.
Yeah. And
Is she?
Kat,
Are they?
Groyon Silva is awake already. So you
Are
guys,
they coming here? Or we go to them.
are you guys waiting for us? Are
Or-
you gonna go to the market now?
Are we
Are we
the
going
world?
home? Let's go na.
We are the world.
Let's go.
Ay, Mama Dong, can you... I will call after this live.
Yeah, we call na. So, bye-bye,
Bye
live.
guys.
Bye guys, I love you.
We live
We love
again,
you.
hopefully.
Have a
We
good
love you.
have a-
Thank you so much. I hope you
have a
enjoy our
good
live.
Friday.
Friday, everyone.
Have a good Friday, everyone.
Bye.
Spread positivity, spread love.
Spread love.
Spread love.
Bye.